So this activity is about proper vaccine handling. In it, students are going to essentially design a cooler out of some common household materials to illustrate the principle of how important it is for vaccines to be held at the correct temperature. Vaccines that get too hot or too cold can be rendered ineffective. So for students to put together their own cooler, really pretty simple items are needed. We need a cardboard box of any size. Again, this one just happens to be 12 by 12. We need some insulation material. So I have some styrofoam pieces, some other recyclable insulation material. I have some cardboard insets for the students to use. And then our source of cooling material is actually just going to be frozen water bottles. So freeze some water bottles ahead of time. This is what the students will use to actually cool their vaccine. We also need a way to monitor the temperature inside the vaccine. So some simple indoor-outdoor thermometers will be pretty effective for this lab. You can also use some devices that are designed to indicate when temperatures have gone outside of a range, but these indoor-outdoor thermometers work pretty well for that as well. You can also add a little bit of extra if you want of having a fake vaccine, a syringe, or a vial to place in your cooler. And then some duct tape. You might want to bring some scissors with and allow the students to essentially design their own cooler. The only rule that we need to make sure the students follow is they cannot put their vaccine directly against a water bottle because that will actually make it too cold. So as long as they follow those guidelines, they can compete to see who designs the best cooler.
Thank you.